The right color combination can make you look taller, leaner, and more balanced in seconds. The wrong one can visually cut your body in half and make you look shorter than you really are. Today, I'm sharing 8 color combos that create the illusion of height without heels, shapewear, or expensive styling tricks. And make sure you stay until the end because the final combo is the biggest trend right now, and it's also the one most petite women are completely overlooking. Number 1. Olive green plus beige. This one surprises people every time. Olive green and beige sound boring on paper. On your body, they look amazing. Olive visually narrows your frame. It shapes without shrinking you. Beige on top brightens everything and gives you that airy, lifted feeling. Put them together and the eye just glides upward. No stopping, no cutting. Just height. The real secret is that both are warm neutrals. They never clash. They never interrupt. And that smooth transition is exactly what makes petites look taller. Warm neutral combos like this increase how tall you look by 10 to 15%. And here's my personal styling tip. Wear beige on top with high-waist olive pants or a skirt. The second you tuck in your top, your proportions completely flip. Suddenly you have legs for days. It's wild how well this works. Number 2. Sage green plus off-white. This combo is so underrated it honestly makes me a little annoyed. Sage is soft and muted. It adds gentle depth without being heavy or loud. Off-white does the opposite. It lifts everything. It catches light and pulls the eye upward. Together, they create this calm, clean vertical line that feels fresh and effortless. The real magic is in their undertones. Both are muted and earthy, so there are no harsh edges between them. Your outfit breathes. Your proportions feel balanced. And your frame looks longer without any of the effort. In visual tests, outfits built from muted greens and creams increased how tall people looked by up to 14%. That's significant for just choosing the right 2 colors. Sage is perfect for spring and fall especially, but honestly, it's a year-round winner. Pair it with off-white and you'll look like you know something other people don't. If you're finding this helpful, hit subscribe right now. I drop petite styling tips every week, and I really don't want you to miss them. Okay, back to it. Number 3. Slate gray plus white. This one is for my girls who love clean, simple style. Slate gray and white. No fuss, no drama, just quiet confidence. White on top reflects light beautifully. It brightens your face and opens up your posture. Slate gray on the bottom grounds the look without the heaviness of black or charcoal. And here's the key difference from basic black and white. Slate softens the contrast. Instead of a sharp, choppy break at your waist, you get a smooth, connected line from top to bottom. Gray on the bottom helps your legs look longer because it visually recedes. White on top brings freshness and focus to your face. And studies show that low-contrast combos like this can make you look 12 to 17% taller. More than 70% of people who look at an outfit that starts light on top and goes darker below naturally move their eyes upward. That's exactly the illusion we're going for. Slate gray flatters every skin undertone too cool, warm, neutral. It's not picky. Neither are we. Number 4. Dusty rose plus charcoal gray. Let me start with my all-time favorite. Dusty rose on top, charcoal gray on the bottom. This combo is so good it almost feels like cheating. Here's why it works. Dusty rose is soft and warm. Pulls attention upward right to your face. And charcoal gray? It grounds the whole look without the sharpness of black. Together they flow. No hard lines, no stops, just one long smooth color story from top to bottom. And when your eye doesn't stop anywhere on your body, it travels up and down. That's what makes you look taller. Simple color science. Low contrast outfits like this can make you look 10 to 15% taller instantly. The darker bottom also makes your legs look up to 20% longer. All that, and the combo looks completely effortless. Wear it to the office, to brunch, to dinner. Just works everywhere. Number 5. Cream plus camel. Oh, I love this one. Cream and camel together feel like luxury. Like you spent thousands on your outfit but you actually grabbed it on sale. That's the magic. Both colors come from the same warm family, so they blend beautifully. No weird clash, no harsh cut across your body. Just this gorgeous, smooth flow from top to bottom that makes you look longer, leaner, and ridiculously polished. Cream lifts your upper body and naturally brightens your face. Camel adds richness to your lower half. Together, they create what stylists call the tall column effect. Keep your top slightly lighter and your bottom a touch deeper. That tiny gradient adds shape without dividing your body. Studies in fashion say warm combos like this boost perceived height by 12 to 18%. It's quiet, it's chic, and it works in summer, fall, winter, spring. All year. No excuses not to try it. Number 6. Blush Pink plus Taupe. Blush Pink and Taupe. This combo looks like it was designed specifically for petites. I'm convinced it was. Blush adds a warm, gentle glow near your upper body. It's soft, it's pretty, and it naturally flatters your face. Taupe brings quiet depth and structure below without feeling heavy or dull. Together, they are muted magic. Here's what makes this work so beautifully. Both shades share warm undertones. That means they blend into each other instead of cutting your body in half. Your eye flows vertically, not sideways. Taupe subtly elongates your legs. Blush lifts your upper frame. And you get this long, clean, graceful line from shoulder to ankle that makes you look like you have legs that go on forever. Under natural light, this combo glows. It brings warmth to your skin tone and softness to your whole silhouette. Moreover, it's feminine, it's elegant, and it stretches your frame beautifully without anyone knowing why. Number 7. Powder Blue plus Navy. If you want to look polished and tall without trying too hard, this is your combo. Powder blue on top, navy on the bottom. Light on top draws attention upward. Dark on the bottom makes your legs look longer. That's the formula. And because both colors live in the same blue family, there's no harsh break anywhere. Your eye travels smoothly top to bottom. No interruptions. Tonal blue outfits can make you appear up to 15% taller. Navy is also ranked as one of the best colors for creating visual balance on a petite frame. Unlike black and white, which can feel too sharp and choppy, powder blue and navy stay soft and connected. Wear it to work, to a meeting, on a flight. Anywhere you want to look put together without thinking too hard. Under natural light, it's gorgeous. Under office light, it's crisp. You genuinely cannot go wrong. Number 8. Terracotta plus Warm Ivory. Okay, I saved this one for last on purpose, because this is the combo right now. It's everywhere. On runways, on street-style photos, on every fashion influencer's feed. And yet most petite women aren't wearing it. I have no idea why. Terracotta and warm ivory are both rich, earthy tones. Warm ivory on top catches light and lifts your face beautifully. Terracotta on the bottom adds bold warmth and depth. And because both tones live in the same earthy warm family, they connect without clashing. The result? A rich, warm monochromatic flow that reads as tall and put together from across the room. Terracotta is also incredibly flattering on a wide range of skin tones. It plays beautifully against deeper complexions and warm undertones especially. Style it with high-waist terracotta trousers or a midi skirt and a tucked ivory blouse. The tuck creates a defined waist. The color harmony creates the height. And the whole outfit makes people stop and ask what you're wearing. In the best way possible. This is the one. Don't sleep on it. So there you have it, 8 color combos that actually make petites look taller. And you didn't have to squeeze into a single heel to do it. Color is the most underused styling tool we have. And now you know exactly how to use it. Pick one combo, try it this week, and watch what happens. Don't forget to subscribe and drop your favorite combo in the comments. I read every single one. See you in the next one.